everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so much very excited to review the craziest robotic vacuum and mop that I've ever reviewed here on my channel, that I ever seen in my entire life. I didn't even know that type of a robotic vacuum is even exist. I am talking about this 3i S10 Ultra. This is an ultra rich floor washing, water recycling. It's a smart home revolution. Guys, it's a game changer, and it's a new era for future robotic vacuums for sure, because this is the world's first water recycle system that is installed inside of this vacuum. So there is no dirty water tank. It's only clean water tank, because there is no manual water replacement or any complex installation required. It has triple disinfection, so it gives a 99.9% of sterilization rate. It has a green eye dirt recognition and works with a self-cleaning roller mop with a 2000 of PA extreme suction ability and the roller mop self-drying with warm air. It works with a smart application, and you can customize and personalize your robotic vacuum in any possible way that you need. You can absolutely divide areas, create new areas, define no-go zones, and so very on. All the classic things that a robotic vacuum with a smart application can do, but the smart application also can measure the humidity of the air through the robotic vacuum. So the robotic vacuum has a sensor installed in which senses the humidity in the air. So you can always check your air humidity inside of your house through the smart application, and you can even define on what humidity percent the robot is gonna collect the moisture from the air and convert it into water to clean your floors. You can make it anywhere between 44%, 30%, up to 100%, whatever works for you. Obviously 100% won't work, but maybe in some areas it will. So you can even define the humidity of the air to work with. Well guys, I cannot wait to tell you even more tech details about this craziest robotic vacuum and mop, 3i S10 Ultra. Well, let's get started. So guys, let's get started with a detailed review of the 3i S10 Ultra robotic vacuum cleaner. This one is incredibly cool. That's honestly the most high technology robotic vacuum cleaner that I've seen in my entire life. It's all about the ultra rich floor washing and water recycling. So there is no any manual water replacement needs or any complex installation required as well. The WaterRecycle system distills wastewater and captures air moisturize to produce purified water for cleaning floors. If that's not a revolution in robotic vacuum cleaners, then I don't know the definition of revolution, guys. You tell me down below in the comments what do you think. It's crazy. So the S10 Ultra ensures an endless supply of clean water without any manual replacement of the water. It eliminates the need for drainage, and it's allowing a flexible placement anywhere in the house. So no more replacing the water constantly, no more refilling the water, cleaning the water tanks, nothing like that. Easy peasy, simple. It is gonna collect the water from the air. How fantastic is that? So the sub-boiling distillation and the wastewater purification makes the 3i's products to be the first in the industry to use the sub-boiling distillation technology to separate wastewater into wet and dry components via heating it. And as a moisture evaporates from the wastewater, the remaining solid waste is going to be collected in a dust bag. As well as I said before, it has the air moisture extraction. What happens is that the replenishing clean water collecting the moisture from the air. We all know it's a humid air around us. Sometimes it's more humid, sometimes it's less, depends on the season and depends if it's raining outside. But anyway, it's going to collect the moisture from the air, and then it's going to condense that moisture from the air into a liquid form to replenish water for cleaning. The feature is called air water generation, and you can turn it on or off. So let's say if it's off, after the robot collects the wastewater and returns to the base, the sub-boiling distillation process kicks in, and it's gonna increasing the clean water in the tank, while solid waste is gonna be transferred to the dust bag. But if the air water generation is on, after only 24 hours, you will see that the water level in the tank will rise. Then I'm happy to introduce the ultra rich roller mop. So no smudges, no missed spots, and as a result, an extra clean floors. The self-cleaning roller mop system includes 12 spray holes for plenty of clean water flow and reach. The roller mop made with a scraper that keeps the roller mop spotless and free of residue. The roller mop will always be clean while cleaning the floor. The ultra rich roller mop edge mopping is gonna get every single spot around the house it's cleaning. So when cleaning around the walls, you know, like the edges or along the walls, the roller mop gonna automatically extend itself. That type of a technology is enabling a precise cleaning down to the very much millimeter. filters. Corner and edge cleaning coverage is improved by 95% thanks to the ultra-rich roller mop edge mopping technology it works on. Also, it has a high speed for powerful mopping. So it has a 330 RPM ability for the mop, and that type of a motor boosting the mop cleaning results by 153%, as well as it's going to remove even the toughest stains from the floor. Even if the stain is dry and it's an old stain, it's still going to take the best care of that spot. The S10 Ultra also works on the dirt scan cleaning strategy technology, which identifies all kinds of debris and it's adjusting the cleaning accordingly. So the dirt scan cleaning strategy allows the robot to see and think as they are humans. So they understand the surrounding, they scanning the area, they can learn and know exactly what type of a mess is in front of them and underneath of them. So the S10 Ultra has green lights and advanced AI algorithms to clean in the most optimal and correct way. Depends on the type of the mess that is in front of the robot. So you can recognize it all and turn on the correct and right cleaning mode to clean the mess in the best and right way. The precise cleaning with laser technology also installed in the S10 Ultra robotic vacuum. So it has a green light which illuminates liquids, stains, solids, dust, and any other debris, and all that to reflect the distinct light patterns. That type of patterns are captured by the robot's high precision camera to swiftly identify 68 different types of dirt and mess. Also, it can recognize common objects and it's using an AI-powered deep learning algorithms for that. It has a boosted suction for dust, so once it's gonna sense a lot of dust underneath, it's gonna automatically identify that. Also, it can identify a large amount of dust and hair. And once it's gonna identify that, it's gonna increase the suction power to ensure a consistent and true cleaning. It has a controlled cleaning for liquids as well. So when liquid messes are gonna be detected, the robot is gonna automatically shut off the vacuum motor, lower the water flow, and slow down its movement. Once the mop has fully absorbed the liquid from the floor, the water flow and movement speed are gonna be restored as they were before, and it's gonna be back to what it was doing. So even if you have some liquid mess, with like, let's say milk or soy sauce or anything else, the robot is gonna automatically detect that and it's gonna correct and adjust himself to clean the mess in the correct and right way. It also works with a high-speed cleaning for stubborn stains. So it's gonna detect stubborn stains and it's gonna automatically speed up the roller mop to clean it in a better way, as well as it's gonna increase the water volume for the targeted, powerful, and impeccable floor cleaning. Also, this robot has a dual anti-tangle design, so it's best for any type of a hair. So if you're having pets or human hair around your house, this robot gonna get to the minimal hair tangling while cleaning the hair. So no more any mess with cleaning the hair from the mop brush. There is no need in that. It's gonna have a minimal hair tangling as a result after cleaning your house. The station. Oh my god, guys, let's talk about the station. First of all, the entire robot is just a gorgeous design, very futuristic. I love every piece of that. But the dock station is just a creation of art. Like, I'm not even joking. It is an all-in-one station, which is a safeguards health through the entire process. It is fully automated design, which gonna keeps your hands free. It has a self-emptying with a 2.5 liters of capacity, so you'll only need to clean the station once in 60 days. It does a self-cleaning and a self-drying roller mop. It automatically adds herbal cleaning solution, which is, by the way, arriving together with the vacuum. Also, once the robot returns to the base station, the wastewater is automatically removed and it is refilled with clean water. So the base station does this process automatically without needing any type of installation. Guys, in conclusion, this is an unseen technology. Like, I've never seen anything like that in my entire life. This robotic vacuum is transferred our home cleaning routine into completely another level. It's like a total game changer for me and my family. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine. This is definitely a revolution in the robotic vacuums industry. It's amazing not to be worried about refilling your water tank all the time, about cleaning and getting rid of the dirty water tank all the time. It's just an amazing feature. I absolutely love it. There is, once again, no dirty tank even exists in this robotic vacuum. It even came with a floor cleaning solution that you install inside, and the robotic vacuum is automatically takes from this floor cleaning solution to clean your floors with. It's extra quiet. I love that even on the very much maximum settings, like I love all of my products to work on maximum. I put them all on the maximum available powerness, and to wet the mop, I always go to the maximum as well. So this is just, once again, a revolution solution. I absolutely love it. It's collecting the moisture from the air and it's converted into water to use to clean your floors. This is just like blows up my mind completely. Guys, be so very sure to check 3i S10 Ultra robotic vacuum and mop. It's absolutely doing an excellent, amazing job. Also, it's extra heavy, so the robot itself applying a great pressure onto your floor, so it's not just mopping the floor, it's actually cleaning the floor, like scrubbing the floor without, of course, damaging your floor's surface. Well, guys, be so very sure to let me know what do you think in the comments down below to this video, and be so very sure to check the 3i S10 Ultra out. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other possible type of information that you would like to know, like discount codes, promotions, coupons, where to buy, where to find, and so very on. So guys, checking the description box, it's always a great idea. Well, that was actually all for today. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.